Why do you prefer a job over a business?
I prefer a job because it gives me a stable income every month.
How do you feel when you work for someone?
I feel secure knowing that my salary comes on time.
What motivates you to start your own business?
I want freedom and control over my work and time.
How can you balance your job and business together?
I can manage both by planning my schedule carefully.
What will you choose if you have enough savings?
I will start a business because it gives long-term growth.
Why does he want to leave his job?
He wants to leave because he dreams of building his own company.
How does he manage risk in business?
He studies the market and plans before investing money.
What makes him stay in his job?
He stays because he likes the steady salary and benefits.
Why does he admire business people?
He admires them because they create opportunities for others.
How can he grow his business faster?
He can grow by improving his product quality and customer service.
Why does she want to be self-employed?
She wants to be self-employed to have independence and creativity.
How does she feel about office jobs?
She feels bored because she wants something more challenging.
What makes her start a small business?
She starts it to earn more money and learn new skills.
Why does she not like fixed working hours?
She wants to work freely without time restrictions.
How can she manage both home and business?
She can manage by setting a clear routine and time limits.
Why do they prefer running a business?
They prefer it because it gives them control over decisions.
How do they handle business failures?
They learn from mistakes and try new strategies.
What do they think about job security?
They believe jobs are safe but limit personal growth.
How can they expand their company?
They can expand by hiring skilled employees and investing wisely.
Why do they leave their jobs for business?
They want freedom and the chance to earn more.
Why does it take time to grow a business?
It takes time because success needs planning and patience.
How does it feel to be your own boss?
It feels powerful and satisfying to control your work life.
What makes it hard to start a business?
It's hard due to financial risks and competition.
Why is it risky to quit a job?
It's risky because income becomes uncertain.
How does it benefit to learn business skills early?
It helps to understand markets and make smart decisions.
Why does Ali want to open a shop?
Ollie wants to earn more and be independent.
How does Ali manage his business?
He manages it with discipline, planning, and teamwork.
Why does Ali not apply for a job?
He believes he can make more money through business.
How can Ali increase his profits?
He can increase them by cutting costs and promoting well.
What helps Ali attract more customers?
Good service and fair prices attract more people.
Why do some people prefer jobs?
They like fixed income and less stress.
How can people move from jobs to business?
They can start small while working and then expand.
What makes people stay in jobs for years?
They stay for comfort, stability, and regular income.
Why do some fail in business?
They fail due to poor planning and lack of experience.
How can people reduce business risk?
They can reduce it by researching before investing.
Why do fresh graduates choose jobs?
They need experience and stable earnings first.
How can graduates start a business later?
They can use job savings to launch their company.
What makes a job attractive to new workers?
A good salary, environment, and career growth attract them.
How do entrepreneurs inspire youth?
They inspire by showing that success is possible with effort.
Why do parents suggest jobs instead of business?
They believe jobs are safer and more predictable.
How can teamwork help a business grow?
It brings new ideas and divides the workload.
Why is business better for creative people?
It lets them use imagination and new ideas freely.
How can a job limit creativity?
It gives fixed rules and less space for innovation.
Why is investment important in business?
It helps in growth and developing better services.
How do business owners earn more?
They earn from profit, not just monthly pay.
Why do employees get promotions?
They get them for hard work and good performance.
How does experience help in business?
Experience helps to avoid mistakes and plan smartly.
Why do some business owners hire managers?
They hire to handle operations and save time.
How can managers improve company performance?
They can improve by motivating employees and organizing tasks.
Why does a businessman take risks?
He knows big risks often bring big rewards.
How can a job provide peace of mind?
It gives financial stability and less uncertainty.
Why does a business bring stress sometimes?
It brings stress due to financial pressure and competition.
How can stress be managed in business?
It can be managed by staying positive and planning well.
Why do entrepreneurs love challenges?
They enjoy learning from difficult situations.
How do employees learn leadership?
They learn by managing projects and guiding teams.
Why do business owners make their own rules?
They have full control over how their work is done.
How can learning help both job and business?
It improves knowledge and decision-making ability.
Why is communication important in both?
It helps in teamwork and customer relationships.
How can confidence affect success?
It increases trust and helps to take bold steps.
Why is consistency important in jobs and business?
It builds reputation and long-term progress.
How can business improve a country's economy?
It creates jobs and increases national income.
Why does job experience help in business?
It teaches discipline, skills, and professional behavior.
How can technology help both fields?
It saves time and increases productivity.
Why do businessmen value networking?
They gain new clients and business opportunities.
How do employees grow through training?
They gain new skills and perform better.
Why do some people enjoy corporate jobs?
They like structure, teamwork, and steady income.
How can business give financial freedom?
It allows unlimited earning potential through profits.
Why is financial planning important for business?
It prevents losses and ensures stable growth.
How can job holders save for future business?
They can save monthly from their salary for investment.
Why is patience needed in business?
Success comes slowly and requires continuous effort.
How do partnerships help in business?
They share ideas, money, and responsibilities.
Why do some people fail to run a business?
They lack experience, patience, and market understanding.
How can leadership change business results?
Strong leaders motivate workers and achieve better outcomes.